This video is about how you can make money by posting on Twitter. If you don't have Twitter account, you can start with scratch, and if you have your Twitter account, you can use that. If you're making a new account, make sure you just keep posting for 30 days and then start the process. You need to subscribe to X Premium, recommended tier. Tier is premium. These are the requirements for creator revenue and subscriptions. Your focus should be 500 verified followers. You can follow these steps to get verified followers. For example, if your niche is crypto, you can start to interact with biggest accounts, and you can easily find other verified accounts in their post replies. Now you have to see the profiles which has blue ticks. Just view their profile, try to reply on their posts and follow them. A very good amount of percent will follow you back. Keep in mind, you have to keep interacting with accounts with blue ticks. Verified accounts. Make sure you are staying away from bulk following messages like follow for follow. Your main focus should be networking with people who has verified account. And initially your account goal should be 5 to 8 followers a day, which will be doubled automatically once you are interacting every day. Try to mention clear details about you in your profile. I recommend post 3 posts a day, 1 morning, afternoon and evening. And your posted content should be interesting, which attracts people to follow you and interact with you. Next, you have to get impressions, which is 5 million, which is very simple and easy. Follow few big accounts. Turn on notifications once they post something. Try to reply as early as possible. Suggested accounts to follow is as per your niche, as you will be quite familiar with their posts. If you will reply within 5 minutes, there are high chance you will get impressions on your comments. Key point is you make sure your replies are high quality replies. So, I will summarize this. Step 1, 3 posts a day. Step 2, reply to all comments. Step 3, visit the profile of every commenter. Just repeat this exercise every day.